And ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Technology Company of the Year is Jendamark.
Judges that nominated us. Thank you to everyone that stood on the stage with us. It's been a journey. I think we are a team of 700 people around the world that have been really fortunate to be able to sell our products to every single continent on this planet, to almost every single country around the world. And we've always been searching for this pot of gold. And we've been searching and searching and searching. And over the last 2 to 3 years, we've now realized that the pot of gold is right here. And somehow this feels like the proudest moment for us because we're actually coming back home. We're a South African company that's exports 95% of our product. However, we see the biggest opportunity in the next 15 years right here back home in Africa. And we want to be able to unlock the huge human capital, the potential that sits right on our doorstep and really show the world what we're made of. Here's to Digital Ubuntu.